Hello everyone, welcome to today's English lesson. If you're a beginner and want to speak English like Americans do in everyday life, this video is perfect for you. Today you'll learn 25 common American English phrases that native speakers use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice these phrases daily. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Phrase 1. Good morning. Meaning, a greeting used before noon. Example. Good morning. How are you today? Phrase 2. How's it going? Meaning, how are you? Example. Hey, how's it going? Phrase 3. I'm doing great. Meaning, I am very well. Example. Thanks. I'm doing great. Phrase 4. Nice to meet you. Meaning, used when meeting someone for the first time. Hi. Nice to meet you. Phrase 5. What do you do? Meaning, asking about someone's job. Example, what do you do for work? Phrase 6, could you help me? Meaning, asking for help politely. Example, excuse me, could you help me? Phrase 7, no problem. Meaning, you're welcome. Example, thanks, no problem. Phrase 8, I appreciate it. Meaning, example, I appreciate your help. Phrase 9, excuse me. Meaning, used to get attention or apologize politely. Example, excuse me, where's the bus stop? Phrase 10, I'm sorry, meaning apologizing. Example, I'm sorry I'm late. Phrase 11, that sounds great, meaning I like that idea. Example, let's go to the park. That sounds great. Phrase 12, sounds good. Example, see you tomorrow. Sounds good. Phrase 13, I'm on my way. Meaning, I am coming. Example, I'll be there soon, I'm on my way. Phrase 14, take your time. Meaning, don't hurry. Example, take your time, there's no rush. Phrase 15, I don't understand. Meaning, I didn't understand. Example, sorry, I don't understand. Phrase 16, meaning, can you repeat please that? Say it again. Example, can you repeat that slowly? Phrase 17, what does that mean? Meaning, asking the meaning. Example, what does this word mean? Phrase 18, I think so, meaning, yes, probably. Example, is it open? I think so. Phrase 19, maybe, meaning, possibly. Example, are you coming? Maybe. Phrase 20, of course. Example, meaning, can I join you? Of course. Phrase 21, see you later, meaning, goodbye for now. Example, see you later. Phrase 22, have a nice day. Meaning, a polite goodbye. Example, thanks, have a nice day. Phrase 23, take care. Meaning, stay safe. Example, bye, take care. Phrase 24, what's your name? Meaning, asking someone's name. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next English lesson. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.